So when we believe and understand that the simultaneously is relative, lots of definitions and realities, in fact, in physics, will find some problems in their sense. Consider this scenario: length. You can measure the length of a fish that is moving in water if and only if you measure the start and the end of that fish simultaneously. If you measure them, in fact, in scenarios that are not simultaneous, it will move, and you will measure a very long distance that is traveling in that, in fact, between them. So you must measure that points simultaneously. But when simultaneously is relative, different observers will have different idea about the simultaneously, and they will not believe the measurement. In fact, one observer will say that your measurement is not correct because you have not measuring the start and the end point simultaneously. Another observer will say that no, I measured them simultaneously. So the length is one of the, in fact, the things that in physics we call that relative. For example, uh, in fixed framework you have one length, and for movement framework you have another length. This is length contraction. In fact, in physics and in special relativity that was proposed in 1905, and lots of definitions of physics are related to simultaneously, and the relative simultaneously will change all of them in definition and in formula that you can explain them based on something that we will discuss next sessions.